Everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to review a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Let's start the summary. A good way to understand the book is to learn the general principles underlying the book. Here author says two things predominantly: how to handle arguments and how to give feedback. People crave the feeling of importance. Make someone feel important, they will think well of you. You could not go fishing with cheesecake as a lure, since the fish don't like cheesecakes. So here author says that if you want to influence someone, you have to go with that person interest. Also, angry people are often angry because they feel unheard. Once you sympathize with them, they will soften their anger substantially. Remember that people are creatures of emotions with their own bias and motivated by ego and pride. Before you send an angry message to someone, wait overnight. More often that you will do, dial back the anger. So here, author says there are way to how to handle arguments. First, control your temper. You can measure a person what makes her angry. Little people get angry over little things. Big people are undisturbed and keep cool. Always looks for an areas of an agreement. Try to build bridges of an understanding. Talk about the common goals and what you agree on. Also look for an areas of agreement. Try to build the bridges of understanding and talk about the common goals and what you agree on. So these are the way that you can handle arguments. First, you need to control your temper. Also, you have to measure the person what makes her angry whenever you have an arguments. Big people are undisturbed and keep cool, and but little people are get angry over even little things. You have to be careful whenever have a handle the heat arguments. Next, we'll see how to give feedback. Even before you need to give feedback, praise and appreciate the other person constantly without asking for anything. These neutralize the sting of future feedback. When you introduce a point of feedback, start by praising other specific things that were done well. Talk about your own related mistakes, suggesting you know how difficult the talks can be. You can say that when I was in your position, I did the same thing. Here, author says that you have to first give the positive feedback to the person, so that makes that even negative feedback neutralize the situation. And we move on to the some of the quotes author suggests to use whenever you have situations to handle arguments or give feedback. You can say that you have always been hard worker and I believe you will continue showing these things in the next month. You already have the underlying skills, you just need a bit of practice. Also, you can say that if you can do this task, then you will more equipped than to do this the next one. Praise people publicly to make them feel important. Also, author used some quotes from Henry Ford. He says that if there is a one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person point of view and see the things from other person angle as well as from your own. So this is the way we can achieve the secret of success. Also, he suggests that idea of submission. So before you speak and pause, what can other person can get out of this? Even challenge yourselves to not say anything what you want. Show other people relentlessly that you want to help them. Here author says that if you are going to submit an idea to a team, first you can say that what other person can get out of this from this idea. Challenge yourselves not to say anything about what you like. You can need to say that what other people can get from this. We then move on to the last summary of this book. Here author suggests that the important usage of a person name. Author says that person name is the one of the most important words in a person entire vocabulary. So try to use his or her name whenever you have an argument or whenever you are going to give feedback. Also, author says that people pays loads of money to have the name remembered after they die. For example, naming a building, having a park name, or giving a street name. These are the multiple ways the people are always needs to be remember the name after they die. Also, author says that encourage others to talk, gives time to other person to talk. Also, author says that before meeting someone, research their interest thoroughly. This way, you can easily influence that person without having much arguments. With that, we come to this end of this book summary. I hope you guys like this video. Please share your comments. I love to hear from you guys. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.